In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the voice in Google Maps on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and there go into General. Now here tap on Language and Region, and there all you have to do is to add new language to your device. Now it's just English here. I hit on Add Language. There I can use search bar to search for some specific text. I'll search for Russian. There hit on that language, and there I can hit on Use Russian. Now you see that the language is being set up, and there Russian at that moment is on the first place. So that's preferred language now on that device. If you want to change the preferred language, all you have to do is just hold down on that three lines and drag that language to the top and then hit on Continue, and now language is setting to English. And after that you can go back to Google Maps and see the new language installed on that app, because that app uses the system language. So keep in mind that when you change that language, it changes on all your device, including all other applications. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.